Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from MGM Resorts. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. MGM Resorts has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenues to strategic initiatives in their digital and international operations.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. MGM Resorts reported consolidated net revenues of $4.3 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a slight decrease compared to the prior year. However, they achieved record full-year revenues of $17.2 billion. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The fourth quarter saw a 1% decline in revenue, primarily due to a decrease in casino and room revenues at their Las Vegas Strip resorts. However, the full-year performance was strong, with a 7% increase in consolidated net revenues, driven by a significant recovery in MGM China and growth in their digital operations.
And what about profitability?
For the fourth quarter, MGM Resorts reported a net income of $157 million, down from $313 million in the previous year. The adjusted EPS came in at 45 cents, which is below the $1.06 from last year, but above the forecasted 32 cents. This reflects some challenges, but also highlights their ability to manage costs effectively.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, MGM China has been a significant contributor to the company's performance. Can you tell us more about their operations and future outlook?
MGM China reported a record segment-adjusted EBITDA of $1.1 billion for the full year, a 25% increase from the previous year. This was largely due to the recovery post-COVID restrictions. Looking ahead, the company is optimistic about continued growth, especially with their digital ventures like BetMGM, which is expected to turn profitable in 2025.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
MGM Resorts has been actively repurchasing shares, with over 33 million shares bought back in 2024, reducing the outstanding shares by more than 40% since 2021. This move is aimed at enhancing shareholder value. Additionally, their CEO, Bill Hornbuckle, mentioned that their digital businesses are on a positive trajectory, with significant market opportunities ahead.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 32 cents for the quarter. How did MGM Resorts perform in this regard?
MGM Resorts exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 45 cents, which is 13 cents above the forecast. This beat was achieved despite some headwinds in their Las Vegas operations, showcasing their ability to manage costs and optimize their revenue streams effectively.
What does this mean for investors?
This EPS beat is a positive signal for investors, indicating that MGM Resorts is navigating the current market conditions well and is positioned for future growth, especially with their strategic focus on digital and international expansion.
Key takeaways. In summary, MGM Resorts has delivered a strong performance for the full year 2024, with record revenues and strategic initiatives that position them well for future growth. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and focus on shareholder value through share repurchases are key highlights.
Indeed, MGM Resorts is showing resilience and strategic foresight, especially with their digital expansion and international operations. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in these areas as they continue to drive growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on MGM Resorts' performance in the comments below.